The 2011 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, heated seats, traction control, dual front airbags, alloy wheels, air conditioning, front, automatic stability control, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, security system, leather seats, power seat, tilt steering wheel, power driver mirror, cup holders, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set, telescopic steering wheel, multiple airbags. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.